Hi friends, I have a digital timer with you, digital timer switch. I'll show you how to configure this, how to, we will unbox the device and let's see how it's working, and I'll show you how to set up the timer switch, the timer. Uh, this is actually using for to cut off the some of the circuit or some need to do some timer for any device or any lighting. So this is actually I bought for 220 voltage, uh, 1 into 16 ampere by 230 voltage, and reserve and something else, some parameters is mentioned. So we will just open. That's it. It's outside is nothing. So this is it's a China product, a digital timer switch. So this is the multifunctional weekly programmable electronic timer, and this is the manual how to use or how to set up the device. It's actually seems it's very simple. Let's see how it's working and how it's look like. Okay, it's mentioned about the switch and instructions. Some instructions are there, how to operate and everything. Okay, let's see the device. So it has a digital timer on it, and there is one here we need to provide the 230 voltage line in, and this is the output, the relay where we need to connect the 5 and 3, 5 and 3, or upon the depend on the requirement you can use 5 3 or 4 3, it doesn't matter, depend the requirement you can change accordingly. So this is the timer switch. So relay is mentioned for 3 4 5. So let's open this. So this is the program buttons. Here, as I check the menu, the manual, there is 6 buttons, one for the program, one for day, hours, minute, and the time, and there is a reset button also, it's inside, and there is a manual or the function button. So let's reset first and let's see. Let's start from the beginning. First thing first, reset now. Okay, now we need to, first thing first, so as I said, we need to set up the date and time. So first we need to go to timer mode. 1 2 3 4 but 4 times if you press it will get locked, and if you press again 4 times it will unlock, or if you didn't touch for 13 seconds it will automatically get locked. Not 13 seconds, I believe it's 15 seconds. So now we need to date and time we need to set. Today actually it's here Thursday, so Thursday time now it's 14:57. So I will make as 58. Okay, so now it's in auto mode, time 14:57. Okay, now we did the test, the date and time already set. If we didn't touch this any one of the button, this screen will lock in 15 seconds. Let's see that one. There's, as per the manual, there is around 16 programs we can set up weekly. See, it's locked now, 15 seconds, it's locked already. So if you touch anything of the button, it doesn't allow you to access. So you have to press this button 4 times. Now it's unlocked already. Now we need to set up the program. So program, as I said, see, there is a program 1, on and off time we can set up, 2 3, I like this way we can program 16 timers. We can program say 16, again it's return to the cycle. So it's in the first. Okay, we will test first. So let's start the day. First we need to set up the day, which day you want to program. So I select all the day. There is a different combination available: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, individually available, then alternative randomly available Monday, Wednesday, Friday, then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, then Sunday, Saturday and Sunday only, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in sequence, Thursday, Friday, Saturday as well, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Different combinations are available in plus Saturday plus Sunday. So whole day we are choosing actually this one. So I put the timing day. Okay, then now we need to on time we need to set first. So time I need to put 15 2 I will set up. Oh, 15 2 is better. Yeah, 15 2. Okay, this is the on time I set already. Now we need to set up the off time. So again we need to press the program button. Now we need to set up the off time. So day, all day, then program hours we need to set up. We need to go to 15 3 we will set up. Other one I believe it's 15 2. Oh sorry, or 15 4. Okay, so 2 minutes. Okay, now we done already. Now we need to press to save this one. We need to press this button. So done. Now it's back to the normal. So now 15 already. So we need to wait for I believe 3 minutes or program. So 15 2. We need to wait for 2 minutes. So meantime, sorry, by the way, I forgot to set up the power. So we need to set up the power before that. So I have the power is ready with me. The power we need to connect, otherwise it doesn't work. Without power it doesn't work. So we should connect the power. So we have, I believe we have enough time. This is different power available, DC, AC it's available, and I used for 230 volt AC one. So I have connected the power. Now we will connect the power into a 230 voltage power bar. Okay, I have connected the power now. So now let's see the connectivity of the relay. So see, the power is on now. Power is on. So as exactly in the 5 2 it's on. We set up 5 2, 5 4 it will be turned off automatically. So let's see, we will check the continuity of the relay connectivity. So it's select. Okay, now see, this is the actual closed circuit. Now it's off. This is the actual open circuit. See, it's on now. But once the relay cut, this will close, and this one again it will get disconnect. Let's see, after 1 minute we will check again. See, this one is off now. This one connected. So we have to wait around 1 more minute to turn off the circuit, relay circuit. Oh sorry, I thought you are able to see it. Okay, I will show again. See the connectivity. No, see, this one has a circuit connectivity. This one, see, no. This one, yes. So when the circuit is again, it goes back to normal, this relay will get connected, this circuit will close, and this one will get open. So we have around 30 seconds more. There is a light here which indicates on or off. So there is 5 more seconds. See, it's off now. So now if you test, see this circuit, it's on now, but this one get open and there is no continuity. So depend upon your usage, either you can use combination of these two or these two you can use. Thank you for watching. So it's actually very easy to use, and there is many many options are available, different timing combinations and day, time, hours, day available combinations are available. The product description I will put on I will put it down in the description box, product details and all. Thank you for watching.